Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be a quick video on how to shorten a zipper. So what you're going to do is cut the zipper to basically size, and you're going to leave about an inch left. So while I'm editing this video, there are a few things that I wanted to say. So first off, when you do sew by hand, you're going to want to sew into the material without going all the way through. As I had said, I used the blue stitching. So on the inside you can see it. Definitely use whatever color your garment is, but I think for this video it worked that I use blue because then you can see the contrast. But it doesn't go all the way through, so you're not showing the stitch on the other end, which is what the sewing machine was doing. You also want to make sure when you do cut the top of the zipper, you do leave that about, an inch to half an inch to like an inch. I would say that's probably a good amount. You want to make sure the actual zipper is far enough down on the garment so that you're not losing it when you cut, because getting that zipper back on is really hard to do. I had done it in another video and I actually wound up putting the zipper on upside down, and so it just didn't work. I'll put in a little clip to show you what I mean when I say it didn't work. So just make sure you don't lose the zipper on the actual part that goes up and down. Make sure you don't lose it when you're cutting it. Make sure it's down far enough that when you cut, it's not going to be on the wrong part. All right, so let's get back to the video. Maybe half an inch is fine. And you're just going to fold it over and then you're going to sew it onto the fabric. I tried to do this with the sewing machine, but the material was too thick. And also it poked through the other side, where you can kind of see here. I'm going to show you guys in a different clip. You could see the stitching went through to the other side, and I just didn't like the way that looked. But I'm trying to demonstrate here how you do it. You basically just fold it over so you don't see it. And then this is the end result. I did it with some blue thread because I didn't have any black thread, but to be honest, I like that you can kind of see the contrast. And again, I am going to show you a closer look, but this was a Fashion Nova dress that I just knew I wouldn't wear as a dress, and so that's why the top just looks like unfinished, because it's not finished yet because I had just cut it. But here's a close-up and you can see. So what you want is for the sides to just kind of stop without having to lose your zipper, if that makes sense. And then you see here, that's where it went through with the actual sewing machine. Shortening the zipper is easy. You literally just cut it with a scissor. Save some extra zipper material, fold it over so it functions as a stopper for the little zipper toggle thing, the little thing that zippers, and then you're just going to fold it into the fabric on the side.